criticism with Dark Souls 3. I'm not me, by the way. I'm role-playing. My biggest criticism with Dark Souls 3, you know what? I hate that they put so many bonfires everywhere. Why are there so many bonfires? I want to have to run to the boss and run through 30 different enemies in order to take on this hard boss over and over again, because that's how a real Souls game works. Oh, chess! Okay, turn it down a little bit. Oh. Crystal Crush! Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! With big damage. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, she's fine, she's fine, she's fine. She's fine, she's fine, she's fine, she's fine. Damn it. Okay, okay, I have a strat though. I have a strat in my fingertips. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick... so, because you are on the edge of your seat. I'm gonna do on the edge of your seat. Shower! Dang it! Gustav!
Nice, nice.
Oops.